So we already have the data set, the data source dropped in here, and we have run the data source. The data is available. So under explore, we have association cluster. Okay, so this one, DMDB, is a node that we can use, and this is not used very often now because there are other nodes that have superseded this. DMDB stands for data mining database. Okay. So now we can select which variables you want to include. So you want to include all of them, interval variables and class variables. Okay, now right click and run. And it generates this, some of the information that we already have in the explore, which we export. See, earlier, in earlier versions of SAS Miner, we didn't have the explore tab. Like in the exported data explore, we didn't have that, and therefore we had to rely on this DMDB node. So if you go down DMDB, you see you get the number of missing values, the ends and the minimum and the maximum, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this information we already generated using the explore, but DMDB is also something that we could use, even though it is kind of obsolete now. Okay, another node that we can use is Graph Explore. So it allows you to interactively graph variables. So drag and drop that, let's align that and run that. Okay, if you go to results, and the results will give you a bunch of graphs here, then you can examine the sample here, you can examine the plots. Okay, some of these plots we already developed using the Explore tab. Okay. And we can go and change now if you want something else. Okay, so you can change the targets. So we have two targets, right? MEDV and cat MEDV. If you change to cat MEDV, you'll see the information about cat MEDV, or MEDV will give you MEDV right here. So this is for cat MEDV, this is MEDV, the two targets. Okay. And then you can select what you want to view. If you click plot, then you go back to the plot that we already looked at.